the fire comes out. That's where the fire comes out, there, and there. Okay? Now, this is what's going to stay up in space and orbit the Earth. So, we are having a pretty... The people are so small that they can fit right through this. Okay? Ready for the launch?
Yes, and you gotta hurry up because it's getting kind of long.
Minus 10, 9. Wait until start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go for the happy birthday rocket.
Traveling to the happy 4-year-old birthday planet.
The happy birthday rocket now flames of the orbit facility.
Happy birthday, Andrew.